The Packaging and Packaging Waste Regulation, or PPWR, outlines that a fundamental consideration for packaging needs is reuse and recycling. Whilst recycling represents a positive environmental step, the PPWR recognizes that reuse delivers substantially greater sustainability benefits. Here at Faber Group, our load carriers are designed for reusability through our open and closed pooling systems. This circular approach eliminates the continuous consumption of finite resources by instead investing in exceptionally durable, high-quality load carriers designed for multiple use cycles, with comprehensive repair and maintenance programs managed by our specialist teams. Sustainability and circularity are firmly embedded in our DNA, and we invite businesses that have not yet transitioned from single-use to pooled pallets to explore the comprehensive solutions offered by Faber Group companies, because moving from single-use to pooling sets your business up to be fit for the future.